Hi everybody, this is Troy Noonan, the Backpack Trader, here to show you Spotlight Master Suite. Today, I thought it would be interesting, be flexible, and to have a real tight trade plan where you can start, hit your goals, and then stop trading really quickly. And the idea of the mini session is to be able to have multiple sessions in one day. So one of my favorite things to do is to trade this 8-tick momentum bar chart with crude oil futures using the concept of mini sessions. And I've broken the session, the big daily session, into 4 mini sessions. One that begins at 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and 1 p.m. New York time, since that's where crude oil is traded out of. So I thought it would be interesting to walk you through the entire day, and we'll look at each one of today's mini sessions one by one. So this morning started out a typical crude oil session, and we're waiting for the 9 a.m. start time to start looking for trades. And a trade showed up right here at 6 minutes after 9. There were a few earlier trade setups, but they were filtered out because of how the Spotlight Power Trader works. Gray means flat, and if you see trades such as these long ones, we just ignore them. And that was before our start time anyway. So the first valid trade is this yellow trade here. And when it shows up, like right here, you don't know what's going to happen next. But if you click on the bar, you have the entire trade. You have your entry, your targets, your stop. You have what's called the money management level. When the price gets to that level, then we can move our stop to break even and eliminate the risk. The primary objective is to take profit at target 1 if it is more than 10 ticks or more. And we could see here in the data window that it is 12 ticks. Secondly, we want to take profit at target 2, which would be 21 ticks. And of course, one has the option to trade to the larger targets as well, which are often hit, and you could even trail for the home run trade. So there's a lot of flexibility. But the trade plan minimum goals is being able to take profit at that first target with this plan. A lot of times we only go to target 2 and we don't take profit at target 1, but with the 8-tick momentum bar, it's a large enough bar and the trades are large enough where it's worth it to take profit at target 1, and you could really grow your account quickly because it hits target 1 very frequently. So let's see what happened today. It triggered in, and you can see that it did stab down this itty bitty little dot right there. That is the money management level. And when it hits that little dot, the stop moves down 1 tick beyond the entry so that we can cover some trade costs. And you could see that it was pretty easy getting to target 1. Of course, you scale out and take profit, and the price rather quickly also jumped down to target 2, hitting it right on the nail for a 21-cent profit. That's $210 a contract. To get to target 2 took all but 3 minutes, and if you're finished, you're finished. If you're still trading, then, well, it did stab down, and ultimately, it missed target 3 by 1 tick. It was trying to get to 53.70. It got as low as 72, actually missed by 2 ticks. And then the trailer pushed down and the rest of the trade finished. And that's it. That's all she wrote. And the 9 a.m. session was one and done. As you can see, hit its goals with its very first trade. Only took a few minutes. And that's it. Of course, you now have the option to trade the 10 a.m. mini session, and I will walk you through that one on the next video. So stay tuned and check that out, and you'll see how the 10 a.m. session did.